Hey guys, so today you're watching this video because I wanted to create something, and I was wondering, have you ever watched a video on finance and you felt like you needed a PhD in economics to understand one single sentence? And it's kind of funny because that just happened to me too. I understand you, because the vast majority of money advice you can find online is either written by a robot, filled with words that are so artificial intelligence-like, or it's just another one of those dangerous get-rich-quick schemes that are there to separate you from the money you worked so hard for. But would you actually believe that? Honestly, I don't know. Let me introduce myself. I'm Roger. I'm a company founder and oil investor. I come from Midwest. My dad owned a small company, and when I started I had no money, but I had ambition. Over the years, I watched a lot of how the richest people on the planet manage their wealth. And one thing became crystal clear to me. What separates these people from everyone else is not how much they make, but what they do with how much they make. So there you have it. That's exactly why I decided to start this channel. I think financial literacy shouldn't just be a privilege for the elites, do you agree? It should be as basic and accessible as reading and writing. We learned chemistry in school. We learned American history. But nobody ever taught us why we got our credit score down after we paid our loan off. Didn't that always feel like something was missing? Tell me. We let 18-year-old kids sign super-duper huge student loan documents that are worth more than a car. But we never teach them how interest rates work or what happens if you default. It's what happens to that money once it gets there. Wealth is consistency game, doing the boring stuff month after month while everyone else is out there searching for a shortcut. On this channel, we're going to talk about that quietly broke syndrome. That weird place where looking good is more important than actually looking good. I want to help turn you from a saved person into a capital owner. Don't worry, it might be slow at first, but trust me, with consistency, you can make that change sooner than you think. We're going to talk about the safety trap and why keeping all your cash in a bank account is basically being in financial slow-mo. And yes, we're probably going to talk about how riding an older bike or motorcycle could be one of the smartest money decisions you could possibly make, because status doesn't pay your mortgage. To be real with you, I didn't learn none of this from theory. I learned it by living it. Everything I have today didn't come from just earning a lot. It came from learning to spend less and spend it with more purpose. I want to take the high-level strategies I learned as a company founder and CEO and break them down for you into simple systems that are easy to implement. Because I'm not here to help you change your circumstances, I'm here to help you change your decisions. Your future self is waiting on the decisions you make today, so I'm going to make sure you have the right map in hand, so you can guide them to success. If you're ready to stop letting the system keep you broke and start building the wealth you deserve, then listen very carefully to everything I share on this channel. And don't forget to bring your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I'm Roger, and we're just getting started.